Hey everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. So yet another haul, not expected. So I went to Dollar Tree to pick some more stuff. So I love Dollar Tree a lot. So I went and started to buy some stuff, and I ended up buying more than what I wanted. So here I have a haul. So this is the one that I got last time, the gel nail paint, and I painted. It's got nice light minty green. So I love it. So I just painted my nails. It's really good, you guys. So this is my review on it. So these are the some of the wooden boards, you guys. So I got two of them. They got like nice wood decor to it. So I'm going to rub off the letters and then use it for one of the upcoming projects. So I got two of these. Okay. And I also got this mirror frames. It's got like mirror and also the decoration on top. So maybe I'll spray paint it by removing the top frame, or maybe I'll just decorate it like that. I'm going to use for one of the upcoming projects. So these are the two of them I got. And this is for 8x10 canvas, and I wanted to do a project with this. So yeah, please look out. I have a nice project coming up for this one, so please look out for one of the upcoming projects. So it's a good size, 8x10, and this one is like a nice frame, wooden frame look alike. So I thought like I'll get one of these. I didn't feel the need again, so I just thought like it's cute, so I got one of these. So these are like cute 2x3 frames, nice green color. So I didn't plan anything on this, but I just picked up two because they're so cute. So I'll plan something with this also. And yeah, one of the acrylic paint, I use this a lot. So yeah, this is one of it. And this is a very good buy for $1. So it's like 11x14 frame, and it's got like nice color. The frame, I don't have to paint the outer border frame, so I'm going to use for one of the upcoming projects. So yeah, I love this one. And I got this beaded necklace. So silver and gold, I'm in need of doing for my upcoming projects. So this silver and gold are like really too bright, so I'm going to spray paint them to tone down, tone down. And same with this one. So I have a gold spray and a metallic silver spray, so I'm going to spray it and tone it down for my upcoming projects. So yeah, I always love this beaded necklace. They come really handy for most of the projects. So this is one of it. And I got this nice trash bin looking container, so I can put some pencils, or maybe I'll put some craft stuff. It's got like nice minty green and a beautiful yellow color. They look like pastel colors, don't they? I love this. So I got one of these. So this is one of my favorites. And I got this dusty pink trinket. Very nice. And it's a very decent size, very good size. So I'm going to maybe decorate this some more. I can use it around the vanity. So yeah, I love this one. Flower shape trinket box. And nail paint. The nail paint that I gave review, the same brand. So this is like good quality. I love this green one, so I thought like this color also is very pretty, so I got one of these. And I got some makeup stuff. So these are all the nail art jewels. So I got 2 of these. So I use this a lot. My daughter does it too. So I got 2 of these. So this one is really a good product that I found in Dollar Tree. And I think like I wanted to use it and see how it works. So I'll give a review on this. It looks cute for $1, so not bad, right? So I got good quality Maybelline Violet Metallic Eyeliner. Isn't that pretty? So I love this color. So I got 1 of these. And Revlon, can you believe that? Revlon Brow Mousse. I got 1 of these. And setting spray. They are really a good buy for $1. And this one too, the silicone blender I usually get in Ulta. So yeah, I was so surprised to see in Dollar Tree. So this is one of the good product that I liked. And this is cute earrings. You can wear this like a top earring and nice rings with pearls. And this one is also so cute, like a sun symbol. So beautiful. So not bad for $1, right? 3 pairs of earrings. I love this. So those are all the makeup stuff. And let's get into the food. And nice body wash. Silkians brand. So I've used this in past. Yeah, this is really a good quality. And I love this. Whenever I see this, I just stock it up. So this is one of them. I really love this. And this is a shower curtain. I'm not going to use for the shower curtain thing, but I'm going to use it for one of the upcoming projects because it's got like nice print. It's got like white and gray going around it. So I love this. So I'm going to use for one of the upcoming project, guys. So that's one of it. And I got 3 burlap ribbons. And yeah, I'll use for one of the upcoming projects. So they're so bright and beautiful. So they're almost all colors. So I have to contain myself to 3. So these are the 3 ribbons that I got for my upcoming projects. And what else? Yeah, let me show you quickly. Pedestal. It's got like nice sheen to it. So I got 2 of them, ceramic ones, white and black. I'm going to use for one of the upcoming projects. They're almost gone. So I'm glad I got at least 2. And these are the candles. I am planning for doing a project. So yeah, please look out for that project, guys. So I'm planning to do a project with this candle and also this candle. This is an electric candle. So I'm going to do with this. And this one is a candle holder. I love this because it's got like nice mirror glass effect inside and also a beautiful green, shiny green outside. So it looks so pretty. So I thought like I'll use for one of the upcoming projects. So this is one of it. And I got this basket. Beautiful yellow basket. So this is a good size basket. So I was thinking like I have so many cardboard boxes around the house. I'm planning to do a video with that. So I'll also decorate this box during that time, this container. So yeah, this is the plan. And I also got the orange basket as well. This is also a good size. So I'm planning to do a weaving around it. So this is nice bright orange color. So yeah, this upcoming project, guys. And the kitchen stuff, this is a very good buy for $1. So I can, you know, put dish rack. You can put your plates. I'm going to put it in one of the cabinets to store my plates. Yeah, this is a good buy for $1. So the cake mix stuff, the Pillsbury brand, it's really a good one. I used in the past as well. It's like a good cake product. So my daughter loves cakes, so I just got 2 of them. I'm gonna bake cake for her, yellow and chocolate cake mix. So as I told, she turned vegan, so I'm going to make this a vegan cake. If you're interested, I'll post a video on how vegan cake is made out of this cake mix. So I'm basically going to replace the eggs with applesauce. Yeah, I'm going to do a cake for her. And I also got this nice frosting, chocolate fudge. I wish they had in some more flavors, but they're only having like chocolate fudge. So I picked 2 of them, and this is completely vegan, you guys. And if you're vegan, I definitely recommend this product. So it doesn't have anything dairy. So yeah, I picked 2 of this for frosting. So I'm excited about this. And I got this brown rice cakes with Himalayan salt. And I saw this in Kroger and Sprouts. And when I saw in Dollar Tree, I was really excited. This is vegan, gluten-free, so no preservatives, no GMO. This is really a good product. I picked a couple of these, and yeah, we eat this a lot. So I picked this. This is really good one. Ritz cookies. I picked a couple of these as well. Who would not like Ritz, right? So this is one of my favorites. And I got peanuts. I think they have 5 packs. So this is a good buy too for $1, and it's like a Lance brand. I find this in Kroger most of the time. It's a good brand for Dollar Tree. And again, Fudge striped shortbread cookies. We ran out of this, so I got some more of this for my daughter. Yeah, I can't get enough of this pink Himalayan salt. They actually store it in different kinds of packages, so I just bought it. I'm going to stock it up, so I'm going to use it. This is actually a very good buy for $1. So I got this Himalayan pink salt bag. And let me see how big this is. This is 2 lb. Not bad at all, right? For $1. I love this one. So we're almost done, guys. This is Jasmine Rice. Actually, I was so excited when I saw this. So yeah, we make a lot of Asian rice. For my daughter likes like Thai food and Asian food. So I'm going to make, but Jasmine rice goes really well with those dishes. So I picked a couple of these bags too. And this is really a great buy for $1. So yeah. And how big is this? 1 lb bag. Not bad for $1, right? Yeah, what else? I think that's it, guys. So yeah, I'm very happy. Oh, I got 2 of these. The room sprays, Glade and Airwick. So I got 2 of these. Yeah. And the lower skirt. So I'm going to use this for one of the upcoming projects. And purple flowers, one of the project I'm going to use this for. And one of the upcoming projects I'm going to use. Yeah. So these are the stuff I got from Dollar Tree, you guys. I hope you enjoyed along with me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to click on the bell icon for me. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, guys.